What it do, man? Y'all, I'm back with another video, man. If you just not tuned into the channel for the first time, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, turn the bell on, and like this video, man. That way you get notified every single time I drop a video, man. Like the button. Like I don't know why you just won't like the video. I mean, you watching the video. All you gotta do is click the like button. It's not hard. Just click it. I appreciate it though, man. See, the more y'all like these videos, bro, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? They're gonna push my video throughout the algorithm, and then that way I can keep bringing y'all some banger content. But look, man, so I'm about to go pull up on my neighbor, man, Mr. O. Y'all done seen him in my video before, man. He had the red C8 Corvette with the gold wheels on it. You know what I'm saying? Y'all remember that video. If you don't, then I'll drop a link to that video right here. But he ain't got that car no more. And if y'all can tell by the thumbnail, y'all already know what he got. He was like, man, that car monster, man. He like, from a dig, it's crazy. It get down, so you know what I'm saying? I gotta go see for myself, man, so.
I got your bitch on lock, going lock, coming down 85, about to do 85. She know I'm single, ain't got time to mingle. If she get to stalking, I'm changing my line. I'm having motion like I moved the ocean, and both of these phone rings at the same time. I ain't loving no bitch, I ain't cuffing no bitch. I don't care what she say, I ain't changing my mind.
See, I should've got when he opened the garage, man. Before I turn around, bro, I want y'all to see this lineup real quick, bro. Check this out, bro. Come on, man. Now, y'all remember the last year he had, when the Z06 though, right? Man, same car color, the same car color scheme on both cars. I told him, man, I want to be like you when I grow up, man. You got to teach me how to be like you. Man, I'm gonna just, oh my God, bro, them was so clean. Oh my God, when these wheels. Bruh. Come on, man.
My new wheel Monday.
Oh, so these ain't the new ones? Yeah. So these are factory joints?
Well, they upgrade from the back. The factory's up there in the back in the corner.
So these, like, damn.
I got them upgraded to the color match my stripe. Those are upgraded to the factory.
Man, I'm gonna wait till he bring it out, man, in the sun, man, so y'all can see, bro. But wow, damn, them more clean, man. You had the headlights tinted, or they came like that? The GT500, I got mine tinted too, man. But Paul at Proline Detail did it.
Yeah, Paul did, man.
For real? Okay. Man, oh man, y'all got to just wait, bro. He got to pull it out, man. I got to get the glam shots. Got some empty air boxes over there, so you know what that mean. Well, them more so clean, bro. Oh my God. Got the Lambo doors on it. Ooh, I ain't know they came like that. They didn't? Ooh. Oh, y'all saw how it rolls up? Oh, that's crazy. Oh my God, bro. This boy is so clear, bro. Yeah.
That piece back there, let me get that match, that whole black piece there.
Oh, this right here.
Right at glass there.
Yeah.
All around there gonna be the color of my car.
Oh man. Well, them was so cold, but hold on. Niggas, is the intake carbon fiber?
Yeah.
Man, bruh. This more too cold, man.
Didn't have to check. Here it contain the Google access.
Bro, I ain't never seen red carbon fiber, bro. Red carbon fiber. This color like a spaceship in the inside, bro. Now all this was the upgrade too?
Yeah, I upgraded. I did all this myself.
Oh, this more here clean, man. Carbon fiber, red carbon fiber everywhere, all on the door panel. Oh, that's hard. That's hard there, man. Hey man, hey, I ain't gonna lie. I told him, man, out of all the cars you can have, bro, this my favorite one right here, man. You snap with this one though. I ain't gonna lie to you. You snap with this one, bro. This got a dual clutch in it.
Yeah.
Go right, go right. I can feel it too. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Hey, them more. Oh, I already see what she trying to do.
It ain't in sport mode, it ain't in track mode.
Oh, so it's regular?
Regular mode. I put it in sport, you gonna see the difference.
It's in sport now. I felt it change it then. Oh, look at the screen when it go on sport. That's dope.
Yeah. It's 2 sports. I ain't show this other breed. I show this other sport in a minute.
So basically it's like a
downshift in a minute. Still downshift in just a minute.
So you ain't even got to do it, but yeah, you can rev all the way to 9,000 RPM. But that's the red line, but you can ship in
86.
86 man, that's crazy. Oh, hey, damn.
That's sport mode. He don't want to see this motherfucker, bro. He don't want to see it. This bitch.
Hey, yo.
This motherfucker cool, bro. He don't want to see it, I'm telling you.
Bro, you just felt that?
I'm telling you, bro.
Hey, damn.
I'm telling you, this son bitch cool. Now, I'm gonna.
And you still got another mode to go?
Yeah. I ain't even in track mode.
Hey, that's crazy. You ain't even in track.
No. Oh, hold on. That was just 3/4 of it. Of the pedal. Ride this in. Now, I'm gonna show you something.
Bro, that's crazy.
You seen that? Watch this.
Hey, that.
Why that though? I want you to feel them, you know. You be like, oh my God, let me bet this up. Let me see. So you can get it.
Hey, that dual clutch in here is crazy.
Now it's ready. It's ready now.
Oh, it's like, oh. Hey, this boy ain't playing no game, bro. Bro, oh God, bro. But it pulls so hard, but it's a smooth pull though.
Yeah.
You know what it feel like, bro? It feel like, you know how like when turbo just keep spooling, it just keep pulling.
And it's natural aspect.
Bro, that's just what it, man, oh my God. Oh, y'all heard that? I know y'all heard that, bro. Now, have you ever tried launching it from a dig yet? Not yet. You did? How you feel about it? Man, listen to that exhaust, bro. Oh. But what mode that was in?
That was in sport mode.
Hey man, I don't know, bro. Hey, I don't know, man. I don't know. Chevy. Oh, now it's in track. This the most hardest, smoothest pulling car. Most horsepower cars I get in, bro, that pull that hard, they jerk. They jerk, like, you know what I'm saying? This one is so. Boy, like, what going on? In the middle of traffic, you feel what I'm saying, y'all? Come on, man. I feel like this one right here, bro. You can go that way. Yo! Hey, yo! Hey, man!
This bitch is fucking
Hey, this shit crazy, bro. No cap. Ain't no way you just launched this car at 2,000 RPM and then spin without a tire? Hey, bro, that's insane. Hey, man, that's crazy, bro. That's crazy. Man, you know what you got right now, bro? Boy, this boy a dog, bro. I don't care what, hey, this car a dog, man. This car is a dog, bro.
Right, so I get ready.
Hey, yo, hey. Y'all a recap, bro. Hold up. First of all, I literally, with my own 2 eyes, just watch him. First of all, the launch control on these cars sound like a 2-step, for one. He launched it at 2,000 RPM, bro, and it did not spin at all. I don't know what kind of suspension Chevy put on these cars. I don't know what they did differently, bro. But man, y'all tell me which one y'all like, man. Y'all like the Z06 or y'all like the GT500 right here, man. They both the same color, same owner, man. I don't know. I done rode this car too. Don't get me wrong. I like this car too. As a matter of fact, no, I'm tripping. I rode in the the other C8. I don't think I rode the GT500. I lied. No, it was the C8. So dang. So y'all tell me which one y'all like, man. Y'all like the Z06 or y'all like the GT500, man. They both the same color, man. Y'all drop some comments down below. I'm gonna tell you right now, if y'all get this video to 100 likes, I'm gonna race them two together. The Z06 Corvette gonna race the GT500, but only if y'all get this video to 100 likes.
I got your bitch on lock, going lock, coming down 85, about to do 85. She know I'm single, ain't got time to mingle. If she get to stalking, I'm changing my line. I'm having motion like I moved the ocean, and both of these phone rings at the same time.